Welcome to the Seed tutorial on laser cutting. Users operating this machinery must have training completed. This is a CO2 laser and therefore can be a fire risk. Always ensure you are cutting materials that are safe and keep in mind where the fire extinguisher is located. Laser cutters can perform two main tasks: vectoring and rastering. Vectoring uses the focused laser to cut through material. Rastering uses the laser to engrave a variety of shapes, images, or text. Settings will vary depending on the material being cut. To place your cutting material inside the bed, you will need to lift the protective glass hatch. Inside the bed, there are integrated rulers useful for aligning elements to cut. You control your print jobs and focusing of the laser from the control panel up front. To turn the laser on, flip the switch on the left side of the machine. Focusing the laser is very important to get accurate results. The focusing is based on setting the correct focal length for the laser and the material. The tool is mounted to the side of the machine. Place the tool onto the head of the laser. Now operating using the control panel, select Focus. Using the up and down arrows, you can move the bed height. Increase the bed height until the tool is nudged by the material, then move the bed back down one step. You are now at an appropriate distance to make accurate laser cuts. It is very important that when you are operating the laser, both the air compressor as well as the filter must be turned on.
The air compressor is turned on by simply turning the orange lever,
whereas the filter is turned on by pressing the red button. Place your USB onto the laser's laptop and open the file using the PDF viewer. Select Print as you would for a regular printer, but ensure that Epilog Laser USB is the printer selected. Now using Properties, you can alter print settings for your piece. Each material requires a different power and speed setting. Common materials will have this information posted right above the laser cutter for convenience. Materials that we sell are completely safe to use on the machine. If you bring external materials, these must be approved by staff before performing a cut. Once the correct settings have been placed, select Print, and the print job should display itself on the control panel. Always remain by the laser as it is performing operations, as this will minimize error and hazard. Once cuts are complete from long jobs, it is important to clear the debris tray. Cleanup is vital for the laser cutter to perform effectively. Using a Q-tip and lens cleaner, carefully clean the lens area. If the laser is producing a lot of smoke, or the cuts are becoming less accurate, this may mean that the filters are dirty. After long shifts, these should be replaced as well. Do not let the filters build up with dirt, as this will negatively affect our laser performance. That concludes everything you need to know about the laser cutter. We hope to see you in the training workshops and in the future in the makerspace. Enjoy making!